Let's talk about 12.6. So here are the same thing we are just discussing. Now question number 1 is Zara weight content of 15 different bags of nuts and record their masses. She have some bags of nuts, so she just check the weight and just put it in and write its number in grams, like 147 gram, 50 gram, like this. First thing what we will do, we just draw a box and whisker plot to display the data. So first you just draw a line. So minimum number is 146, so we just start from 145. Maximum is 151 or 152, so the maximum number is 152. Smallest number is 145. So we start from 145 to 152. So what is over? First you arrange the numbers here and you find which one is your Q1, which one is your Q2. So this will show Q1, this will show Q2, and here is our Q2, Q3, and here is our median. So 149 is our median, 147 is our Q1, quartile 1, and 150 is our Q3, that is 75%. So as it is same, we are solving the remaining question, like here question 2, 3. So let's talk about question 3. Here question number 3 is here. So we have we are just taking 3 tests. Okay, so first thing, we also draw the 3 box and whisker, so with the same scale. So which is your minimum number? So we will start from 10. So here is over 10, then till 90. So 89 is our maximum number, so we just mention here it's over 90 is our maximum scale. Now with the help of this, in test 1, we just arrange the numbers, then we will find Q1, then we will find Q3, then we will find median. So we will mention here, this will show like according to this, Q1 is 44 or 43 and Q3 is near to 80, or you say 79, and median is over 60. Okay, as it is said, if we are talking about test 2 and test 3, we do the same thing, we follow the same procedure. Now B part, use the diagram to comment the performance of this group in the student, the 3 assignments. So which one you think is will vary more? So interpretation will vary, but generally the student perform worst on test 3 because this will very small. Its IQR is very small. It's this test has a very worse performance as compared to in test 3 as compared to other 2 tests. So as it is same, we are doing all these things. So if we are talking about question number 4, so here is question number 4. If you see this picture, so what is our median? So this middle line show the median, so remember this thing. So 25 is our median. This line show Q1, this line show Q2. So what is the furthest that a teacher has to travel? Furthest mean maximum is, that is 147, because here is 145, 150. So maximum is, furthest is 147.5. What percentage of the teacher travel 30 or fewer? 30 or fewer is 75%, because it's our Q3, so Q3 is always be 75%. What percentage of the teacher travel between 15 to 25, means from here to here? So what you think? It's we said that it's a 50%. If we travel in between this, so middle is 20. So from 15 to 25, the middle is 20, so that is over 50%. What is the IQR of the data? 30 minus 20, that is over 10. So we said that IQR is 10. What does the position of the medians in the box tell about the distribution? According to this box, so median is in the middle. So we said that it is in the middle of the box. That's it. Like as it is same answers, here are the answers. So the same thing, with the help of these, we are finding the remaining all